Padmabhushan Dr. Vijay Bhatkar is truly the pride of India. In the 80s, when India was seeking technology from the West to build a supercomputer, all the countries, particularly USA, flatly refused to cooperate. It was then that this young scientist from Maharashtra came forward and picked up the gauntlet of building a supercomputer for India. Thus, he created PARAM 10,000, India's first supercomputer. Since then, India has not looked back in the information technology field. Dr. Vijay Bhatkar is presently the Chancellor of Nalanda University and also the founder chairman of India International Multiversity. He is a saintly scientist from whom the society can imbibe a lot.
And suddenly thought occurs, both of us entered this one. Suddenly thought occurs, oh my God, this is the very place where this great knowledge, civilization of the world civilization is not right, has emerged. The Saraswati temple reminded us the greats, what a knowledge, what a grand civilization that humanity, for the entire humanity. I'm not referring to particular nation at that time because countries were very different. And here we are standing there. And that we shared that thought with Professor Vijay Bhatkar. I said, your mother's name and our mother's name is Saraswati. Can we revive? Can we make this one of the greatest places on the earth? Because it is not just civilization comparison. It is here the civilization actually emerged. That civilization we call Vedic civilization or Saraswati civilization. The Vedas, four Upavedas, the applied dimension of the Vedas, Vedangas, the science that will make you understand the language of Vedas. All 6 Vedangas, each of them are such deep sciences. Your mind bows that we were trying to understand language. What is the nature of language? We understand the way I am speaking, this one kind of thing. How I understand this language? What is that? Like that. How this instrument understand that? And there is so many dimensions to that. The Vedangas, and then the Darshanas. And it's good that we have brought the issue of philosophy in our lecture series. All the 6 Darshanas. And also trying to embrace Buddhism and Jainism, and maybe I'm talking about the science is a darshan, one of the new, the emerging darshan of that. This one. And we are trying to understand those. And Itihasa. Such and such thing happened. It is what happened. I think we are exploring, the archaeologists and many people are. But our both Ramayana and Mahabharata gives those Itihasa, which has been documented, which has been people will continue to explore, will continue to whether this really happened or not kind of thing. So that is the dimension, that is the knowledge system we are exploring. So I think our students, our teachers, and are really lucky. I am lucky. I consider that I got to know that this is a system like this. I've been exploring science, technology, computing and all things, but I'm very proud. I'm very not proud. I consider myself blessed that we got the opportunity to at least even open those pages of the history. That itself is a great blessing. That I'm trying to understand Ramayana, I'm trying to understand Mahabharata, not just outwardly. So such is the knowledge our universities must give. Understand their deepest, I think, implications, impacts, and what are the instruments to know that kind of thing, that nature of reality. So I think there are so many things to be said, but this is an experience which universities which will bring the universalization of our mind, should study, discuss, and understand. And we are coming from that pilgrimage places. These are the knowledge pilgrimage places. They are the depth of understanding of how do I understand? How do I understand knowledge itself? What is the nature of language? So such, I think, I feel very proud, and once again we are, I think, vibrating with that spirit to, if you have some discoveries, what is intelligence and what is this kind of thing, I think then our universities will become the world universities. And sir, when you talk about the Vishwaguru question, our Prime Minister also talks about the Vishwaguru, and when that knowledge will touch. When will this happen? Not when we start touching, exploring, jidnyasa, it will come in our students, then we will become the students of the world. I'm not taking it just with pride, but that is the universal culture. That is what is given for the entire humanity. Hey, Vishwachi Majagara. This is the university. So we have gone from that pilgrimage, we are back. So we are celebrating you because you took the late 200 people there, and it never happened before. I think it was a great experience for us. And there is a Saraswati temple, Saraswati, once again resurrected. That symbolizes that we have arrived and we are walking in this direction. Universities will walk in this direction once again. Or the knowledge explorers will once again come from all over the world. And if you want to understand, they will revisit it, kind of things. And that will be the great tribute to Swami Vivekananda. That will be great tribute to our great rishis and kind of thing. So I'm very thankful to you, thankful to all people here. Once again, we are invoking the endowments lectures of this skill for the new generation. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to me.